Think you need a screwdriver for around the house or any kind of electronics taking apart? The Fanttik is what I think you should go with. It's just off of Amazon. It looks great. And it comes in this very nice rectangular case. So inside of here, you get the screwdriver. All you need to do to open it is press this whole thing down and it will pop up. Now you can take the screwdriver out, and then you can also take the bit storage out. This one side, you have your Phillips bit. You also have tweezers and then a metal pry tool with prying on both ends. What's really cool about this is there's a magnetization zone. So you could magnetize the screws, like small screws in here. You can magnetize bit heads, and that way everything will stick better. And then you have a bunch of bits on the sides, and I'm not gonna read all of them, but you can see them here. You can pick out the ones that you need, and you can see all the ones that you may want. And it's magnetic. So what is really cool for any of these is they will stay in place. But if you need one of them, you can just go ahead, reach in and pull it out. And then when you're done with it, well, just go ahead and set it back in. Screwdriver is also pretty cool. It has a small light on the end of it, so it helps illuminate your workspace, and it has two directions. It has going in, so when you're screwing into something, and then out when you want to take a screw out of something. It has 3 different modes. It has a low, which has a certain amount of torque to it, and then it has a lock, and the lock means it's just like a regular screwdriver. This is good if you also want to still use this as something to hand tighten something in, and then you have the high torque, and it's gonna put more force on when it's screwing in a screw. Now, the only thing that I would like to see in something like this, something that is an improvement, would be some kind of grip here. The way it stands, it's not very grippy and just kind of spins around. Other than that, it's pretty perfect. Another thing that lends itself to its perfectivity is the USB Type-C charging. Type-C is universal connector, and it's great that you can use the same charger that you use to probably charge your phone with this guy. And this comes with the USB-C charger, but you know, it can be anywhere around your house and you can use it. It's incredibly small. It's incredibly light. This is probably great for something to keep in a drawer, maybe a desk, to use around the house for small things. Sunglasses, could be laptops you want to take apart, could be really anything. It's great to have something small like this. You can get into small places, you can see very well, and it's just a cool tool to have. But if you have any other screwdrivers that you'd recommend, something that you find equivalent to this Fanttik, something that you find better, let me know in the comments below, because I want to check it out. This is not the end all be all. There's tons of different options out there. I just found that this is the one that works for me. So if you want one that might work for you, you can check this one out. It'll be in the description below the like button.